We are delighted to be here today working in partnership with the RNIB to deliver some guide training for partially sighted and blind golfers. And downstairs we have training going on for sighted people who will be able to guide partially sighted and blind golfers later on in the day. This is a really important year for golf in Ireland, especially for visually impaired blind golfers. We are hosting the Handa Cup in Portmarnock Golf Club later in the year. Sport and I, through the Department of Communities, are delighted to be involved in this project to increase the awareness of blind golf throughout Ireland and to increase the capacity of the volunteers to guide the blind golfers. The main benefits are that the awareness of golf as an activity will be increased, because maybe before partially sighted and blind people wouldn't have thought of golf as a natural activity to get involved in. So the more people that we can get trained up as guides, the better. We are currently working on 5 inclusive golf projects across the province. Investment from Department of Communities has allowed 5 councils to run an inclusive golf project in their area. These range from learning disabilities right through to blind and partially sighted, and Sport and I are delighted to be involved in these projects.
Well, today's very exciting. We have about 12 sighted people that are going through some training to become sighted guides with visually impaired golfers. We have at least 7 or 8 visually impaired golfers. And if you are blind and you want an opportunity to still learn, that opportunity is there for you through Disability Sports NI. My work with RNIB, I can see the shift in scale from people who are starting to lose their sight, who are partially sighted right through to blind. Visually impaired golf with a good guide will work for anybody, whether you have experience in golf or not.
Well, today is a wonderful event that's bringing in visually impaired and blind golfers and guides to practice in to help us play golf. Visually impaired and blind golf is a team sport, and we're so grateful to all the volunteers out there that do come to help us and guide for us. It would be impossible to play without them. Before I lost my sight back in the late 90s, I was an avid golfer, and it's depressing when you lose your sight. You lose the ability to do a lot of the things you used to do. Your independence is taken away from you, but could get you very depressed. But to have the outlet through blind golf to be able to express yourself again is something that has given me a new lease on life.
This year golf has signed up to the European Disabled Golf Association, which gives golfers within Ireland a chance to take part in events throughout Europe and compete. There's also been a new world ranking for golfers with disabilities that have come into place this year, and some Irish golfers feature in that. But from our perspective, it's trying to work with golf clubs about how they can become more inclusive and make golf a more welcoming environment to people with disabilities.